Arab culture is a tapestry of vibrant customs, rich traditions, and deep-rooted values that have withstood the test of time. From the golden sands of the Arabian deserts to the bustling souks of ancient cities, the Arab world is a mosaic of diversity and unity. At the heart of Arab culture lies hospitality, a cherished virtue that transcends borders and languages. Guests are welcomed with open arms, treated with warmth and generosity that knows no bounds. In the Arab world, a stranger is a friend waiting to be made, and a guest is a blessing from above. Arabic cuisine is a sensory delight, a fusion of flavors and aromas that tantalize the taste buds. From savory kebabs and fragrant rice dishes to sweet baklava and strong coffee, each meal is a celebration of culinary artistry and cultural heritage. Art and literature have long flourished in the Arab world, with poetry being a revered form of expression. Poets are esteemed figures, their verses weaving tales of love, nature, and the human experience. Calligraphy adorns mosques and manuscripts, its elegant curves and intricate designs a testament to the beauty of the written word. Music and dance are integral parts of Arab culture, with the haunting melodies of the oud and the rhythmic movements of traditional dances captivating audiences worldwide. Each note and step tells a story, connecting past and present in a harmonious dance of heritage and innovation. Family is the cornerstone of Arab society, with strong bonds of kinship and loyalty at its core. Respect for elders, care for the young, and support for one another are values ingrained in every Arab heart, fostering a sense of unity and belonging that transcends generations. Religion plays a central role in Arab culture, with Islam shaping daily life and customs. The call to prayer echoes through ancient streets, mosques stand as symbols of devotion, and fasting during Ramadan is a time of spiritual reflection and community solidarity. Arab architecture is a blend of ancient traditions and modern innovation, with majestic palaces, intricate mosques, and bustling marketplaces showcasing the craftsmanship and artistry of generations past and present. The Arab world is a treasure trove of history and heritage, with ancient ruins and archaeological sites bearing witness to the civilizations that once thrived in these lands. From the pyramids of Egypt to the ancient city of Petra, each stone tells a story of a bygone era. Arab fashion is a unique blend of tradition and modernity, with vibrant colors, intricate patterns, and luxurious fabrics adorning men and women in stylish elegance. The flowing robes of the thobe and the intricate designs of the abaya are symbols of cultural pride and identity. Education is highly valued in Arab culture, with a strong emphasis on learning, knowledge, and intellectual pursuits. Schools and universities are hubs of innovation and discovery, nurturing the minds of future generations and fostering a culture of curiosity and creativity. Arab women play a vital role in society, with many breaking barriers and excelling in various fields. From politics to science, business to the arts, Arab women are making their mark and shaping the future of their communities and countries. Arab festivals and celebrations are colorful and lively affairs, with music, dance, and food bringing people together in joyous revelry. From Eid al-Fitr to Mawlid al-Nabi, each festival is a time of reflection, gratitude, and unity. The Arab world is a diverse tapestry of languages and dialects, with Arabic serving as a unifying force that binds people together across borders and boundaries. The beauty of the Arabic language lies in its poetry, its depth, and its ability to convey emotions with eloquence and grace. Arab hospitality extends beyond the home, with cafes and tea houses serving as gathering spots for friends and strangers alike. Here, conversations flow freely, ideas are exchanged, and friendships are forged over steaming cups of tea or strong Arabic coffee. The concept of honor is deeply ingrained in Arab culture, with values of integrity, respect, and dignity guiding interactions and decisions. Personal reputation and family honor are held in high regard, shaping behavior and relationships within society. Arab folklore is a treasure trove of myths, legends, and fables passed down through generations. Stories of jinn, desert warriors, and wise sages captivate the imagination and offer moral lessons that resonate across time and cultures. Arab craftsmanship is renowned for its attention to detail and exquisite beauty, with artisans creating stunning works of art in ceramics, textiles, and metalwork. Each piece is a labor of love, a testament to the skill and dedication of its creator. The Arab world is a place of contrasts and contradictions, where ancient traditions coexist with modern innovations, and where the past and the future intertwine in a dance of progress and preservation. In the end, Arab culture is a vibrant tapestry woven with threads of history, art, music, and tradition. It is a culture of resilience, creativity, and hospitality, a testament to the enduring spirit and rich heritage of the Arab people.